Hey, what's up? In this video, I will guide you to set up C++ development environment on macOS. So you can proceed to learn C++. Before we can write and run our own C++ program, we need to have code editor and compiler. The code editor is used to write our code and the compiler is used to compile our code into a runnable file. I will use Visual Studio Code as my code editor and clang as my compiler. First, we check whether clang is installed or not by using clang -- version command in terminal. The clang is haven't installed, then the installer tool will be shown. But sometimes it will show errors, so we need to download the file manually from Apple developer website. So we open the Apple developer website and click on develop. Then click the download icon. You may require to log in Apple developer account. Then click more and we search for command line tools. You may select any version you like to install. Double-click to open the file, then open PKG file inside it. Then follow the step to install. You may require to enter your Mac system password to install it. Now we check whether clang is installed properly with clang -- version. If yours shows something like this, then means it is installed successfully. Otherwise, you may redo the step just now. Now, we will install Visual Studio Code. We will download the file from official website. We select the Mac version to download. Then we drag the file into application folder in Finder. Then we have done to install it. Now we are going to set up the Visual Studio Code for the C++. First, we are going to install extension for C++. You can choose any theme you like. We are going to set up the C++ programming environment manually, so close this window. So we need to create a new folder to store the C++ programming file. Then we create a C++ file with the extension .cpp. So now we write a simple program that shows hello world. So now we click Run button and select the one with clang++. So now we can see that it shows the hello world in the debug console. Then let's move on to write a program with inputs. Now we can see that we are unable to input with the debug console. So we are going to configure it and run the code with the external terminal. So we click the setting icons and select the one with clang++. Then you can see that the launch.json file is generated, and then we are going to change the external console to the true. Then we open the task.json and we are going to create new tasks so the Visual Studio Code can access to the macOS terminal. The task configuration you can copy from the description section. Then we are going to run the task by clicking the terminal, then run task and select open terminal. Then now we run the cpp file, it will show in the terminal. So now we can enter the input in the terminal. Thank you for watching.